In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft To Do. Microsoft To Do is a simple and effective task management app that helps you keep track of what you need to do, whether it's for work, school, or personal errands. If you're new to it, don't worry. The basic workflow is very straightforward, and once you understand it, you can start organizing your day in just a few moments. To begin, open Microsoft To Do and go to the My Day view. This is the area designed to help you focus on what needs your attention today. Think of My Day as your daily planning space. It gives you a clean, uncluttered view so you can concentrate on your most important tasks without getting distracted by everything else on your list. If you're using the web version, simply open the app in your browser and make sure you're on the My Day page before continuing. Once you're there, the next step is to enter a task. Look for the task input field, click into it, and type the item you want to remember or complete. Keep your task name clear and specific so it's easy to understand at a glance later on. For example, instead of writing something vague, try wording it in a way that tells you exactly what needs to be done. This makes your list more useful and helps you take action faster when you review it. After typing the task, add it to your list. At this point, you'll be able to see it in My Day, which is helpful because it immediately becomes part of your daily plan. If you're building a habit of using Microsoft To Do regularly, getting into the routine of capturing tasks as soon as you think of them can save you time and reduce mental clutter. Next, set a due date for the task. Adding a due date helps you stay accountable and gives your task a clear deadline. In Microsoft To Do, this is especially useful for anything time-sensitive, such as assignments, meetings, reminders, or personal to-dos you don't want to forget. Choose the appropriate date based on when the task actually needs to be finished. A realistic due date makes your list more meaningful and easier to prioritize. That's the basic process. Open My Day, enter a task, and assign a due date. These three actions are enough to start using Microsoft To Do in a practical way right away. As you continue using it, you'll find that even simple task tracking can make your day feel more organized and manageable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.